this quick video I will show how to use Stem Maker software. In the right pane we see settings. This is a long list of settings and we will start from the top. This pane to set up shape. We can set up polygon, ellipse, rectangle, cycle. Polygon we can set up corners count. After each change, if you would like to see preview, please click Generate button. We can set up radius. If ellipse, we can set up X and Y. Next is frame. We can set up thickness. See the difference. Space between frame to thickness. Also, we can set up frame with picture. We can load our custom picture if we would like. Bends is the outer circles. For example, polygon have. For example, this polygon have 4 corners or edges. This is bends. See 4 edges. Cycle have only and bend. For example, some text on the cycle. If we have polygon, we have 4 edges. We have one text on the one edge, second, and so on. Also, we can add more bends. For this, I will make shape more in size, and I will show how to add more bends. For example, on the first bend we have 4 edges. This is on the second bend we have another edges. For example, another text like 1, 2, 3. See on the preview that we have 2 bends. We also have more edges to fill. Of course, we can set up color or any other properties if you would like. Also, we contour of center thickness. For example, see the difference on the inner contour of center. See its difference. Also, we can type text in the center. Here we can set up pictures in the center. For example, should have prepared grayscale picture of your center picture. For example, this. Fix the size. For example, to fit in the center of your seal. Also, we can select colored picture, for example, this one. But if you don't like the color in the seal, we can make it grayscale color to select any color you like, for example black. I will switch back to the grayscale color. Okay, let's move next. Here we can make addition of the seal. Please note that here is preview of all above settings. Below is addition of seal. This is not persist in the settings. For example, I can add smudge, but if I will generate again, we will see again without this addition. This is sides to which you apply smudge. For example, top left side, you will see at the top left side. If, for example, bottom right side, you will see at bottom right side. If you want to change direction of these smudge lines, this is set up in vector x and vector y. This is, in this example, is 4 and 4. We can make it negative, for example, and if we will apply smudge, the direction will be backwards, because this is negative. So, using vector you can change the smudge direction and smudge size. For example, this big size, 40, and I will apply smudge. It will long smudge, you see. You can also apply another different addition, for example, color negative. Also you can apply mirror. You see difference. So you can try another settings, and if you don't like, make generate again. Here you can set up rotation angle, for example 40. And here is the location of the seal during printing. You can just tap on the paper sheet and print will be in this position. After you finish editing of your seal, you can save your project for any future editing, or you can export image. For example, I save 1, 2, 3, and this will be here as just image, and I can use it as I want. Also, I can export as a docx file. This is Microsoft Word document. I save it also in folder 1, 2, 3, and you can see this file, which I can open and see in the document. Okay, also you can print and print settings as I show you in the bottom. After this you can see the print dialog. You can set up your settings of printer, settings of paper, and then make actually printing. Thank you for watching.